This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop sharing Safari browser between your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. So if you visit a website on your Mac, you might not want to see that on your iPad for whatever reason. We can go to settings right here, tap your name at the very top, and then go to iCloud. So iCloud is going to sync everything together. We can go to save to iCloud. And then we can decide on if we want photos, messages. But right here we have the option for Safari. We can just tap Safari right here and just toggle it off. It says, what would you like to do with this previously synced iCloud Safari data? We can delete it from my iPad or we can keep it on my iPad. So we can decide we can just delete it from my iPad right here. And then it should be completely removed and gone. So you can decide if you want your devices synced right there. We can back out and we can go to this screen right here and we can see our synced devices right here if we have it, and we can just completely turn off iCloud backup right there too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.